Good afternoon. Welcome to Alpha's Maroon Cafe. This is Butt Agro Farms, and I would like to inform you that I have already introduced you three different varieties of apple in the previous video. If anyone of you have not watched it yet, I would request please go to Alpha's Maroon Cafe YouTube page and watch the video, or you can visit to my YouTube channel Butt Agro Farms and watch the video. So I'm going to talk about a couple of varieties today as well. So let me first of all introduce this one. You can check out this one is a bit different, and maybe this one will give you better clear picture. So this is the sweetest apple we have available in Kashmir. We call it Kashmiri Amber. So AMBER. So it's Amber. So that means it's a Kashmiri we call it's a Kashmiri name, basically we call it Kashmiri Amber. So this is sweetest apple, and I would strongly suggest and recommend not this apple should not be eaten by the people who are diabetic or who have about the type 1 or type 2 diabetes. Reason being because this apple does create some extra sugar, which may not be helpful to those who are diabetic. So this is not recommended for diabetic people. And the best apple which diabetic patients can consume, the best one I can say is this one. This is called Kashmiri Maharaji. So this will give you a better look here, or you can check it this way. So this is called Kashmiri Maharaji. This apple is sour in taste, and this apple is something which has the benefit of reducing the sugar level in the body. So this is one of the best apple which sugar patients can consume. So I would strongly recommend, if anyone is looking for these kinds of apples, and they have patients at home who are diabetic and all. So this is the best apple which they can consume on daily basis. So this is the fifth variety. I can say this is the fifth one, and this is the fourth one. So these are two extra varieties which I have introduced you guys today. I will take you to the other couple of varieties as well. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hi guys, this is the sixth type. You can maybe this is the best way I can show you. So if you check this one, this is very red in color. Maybe this I will take little bit close look. Okay, so this one. This one is red type, the red type apple which you can see on the top. This is called red golden. I believe I have already introduced the golden apple in the previous video. I would request please watch that. So this is again the similar type, but it is red in color. So that one was green in color in the initial stage, which will be ripe properly, and then it would turn into gold. The other one I'm talking about. But this one is completely red. It will be red from beginning itself, and it gets red more and more as the time passes. The cultivating date for previous two apples and this one, all the three will be cultivated in the month of October ending. So you can expect the cultivation for these three varieties in the month of October. Okay, so I will take you to the next variety shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome guys. Okay, so this is again one more variety which I can take a look. Check this one. This is very red in color. So guys, this one is called Kashmiri Phokla. I have shown the entire video about how the Kashmiri Phokla looks like and what are its benefits in my previous videos. So I would request please visit to my YouTube channel Butt Agro Farms to get more about get more details about Kashmiri Phokla apples, because you can find this only one branch of this tree, because we have to graft the delicious apple and then produce these kind of Phokla apples. Reason being because it does not have much rate in the market. The demand is very less. That's the reason Kashmiris do not grow these kind of Phokla apples in bulk quantity. And but I have already shared couple of videos about the Phokla. And when we cultivated it last month, not this month, sorry, in the month of September, we do cultivate these apples. And when we cultivate it, when we have cultivated, I have shared a couple of videos how the folklore look like, and how we do the grading and all, and how we sell it in the market. So I have already given a detailed video about this folklore apple. So this is the variety number 7. You can check out. This is an amazing taste, guys. So this will be again a bit sour in taste, same, not same like Maharaji, but lesser than Maharaji one. And this apple is again absolutely helpful for those who are diabetic patients. Okay, and I will take you to the next variety. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is the 8th variety which I am introducing. I'm not I'm a bit doubtful about my counting, but this is the one more variety which we call it Bulgaria. So basically this breed is from Bulgaria, which is a European country. So this is the apple which gets ripe at the end. I can you can expect its cultivation I can say mid of December. People do cultivate it before that, because in the month of from the month of December onwards, so there are high chances in Kashmir any point of time you may the snowfall may start, and if it starts then it may damage any kind of tree who has apple on it. That's the reason people do cultivate it bit early than expected date, but the proper cultivation does happen in the month of December ending or middle of the December it starts. So this is the 7th or 8th type. I'm not sure about what the counting has been given properly, but this is one more variety which I'm introducing to you. Okay, it looks like similar to Maharaji, but it is little bit different. You might get doubt about Maharaji, and this looks almost similar, but it has similarity when we talk about color, but the taste wise it is sweet, and the Maharaji is very sour in taste. So this is the 7th or 8th type which I have already introduced to, and I will take you couple of more apples which I'm going to share you details shortly. Stay tuned. And finally guys, this is one more variety, and we call it Chumbura. So this is almost similar to Maharaji in taste. It is also sour in taste, but the benefit of this is it remains for a longer time. Say for example, after cultivation, normally Kashmiris keep this apple for personal use, because they have this has a longer life as compared to other apples. That's the reason it goes for a longer duration. Maybe this will give a better idea. Just give me 1 second. Check this one. It's extreme green in color, and this color will remain green lifetime. So it does not change its any color at all till it gets cultivated completely and eaten completely. So the color remains all the time same. So this is called Kashmiri Chumbura. Sour in taste, same like Maharaji, but it has a much more shelf life as compared to Maharaji one. So Kashmiris normally consume it for personal use, and I can I would like to inform you that people in Kashmir do consume this apple till the month of June, July. So this apple will be available in stock almost for all Kashmiris at their home, and they keep eating it almost throughout the year. Again, a good apple for those who are diabetic, but normally everyone uses in Kashmir, so it doesn't have any kind of gender based usage. But this is the benefit of this apple. So it remains green all the time, 100% green, and one more benefit it has is it is good for those who are diabetic. So see you guys. Thank you very much watching these videos. I would request please subscribe, comment, and like my YouTube channel Butt Agro Farms, and keep following Alfaz Maroon Cafe for more updates. And again I will take you to the apple garden once more and let you know this is how the garden looks like. So the cultivation for all these apples will be done till the middle of the December. Thank you very much. See you guys soon.